Route 14, Geddes, outbound from the University of Michigan Mott Hospital. From the stand on East Medical Center Drive, we're going to continue. We're going to get in the left turn lane. We're going to make our left turn at the stoplight, which is observatory. Making our left onto observatory. Approaching the stop on the right. Stop approaching. At the traffic light is Geddes. We want to make a left turn. Stop approaching. We ask that everyone please follow the Ann Arbor crosswalk rules. Whenever there is a pedestrian in a marked crosswalk, we must yield the right of way to the said pedestrian. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Continuing on Geddes. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Be mindful of the deer over here on the 14 route. Stop approaching. At the next corner is Arlington. We will be making a right turn. Arlington and Geddes is a time point. Stop approaching at the stop sign. Continuing on Arlington. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Stop approaching here at Bedford. When you see the flashing light at Bedford, you know that the next corner is your turn. You're gonna make a right onto Overage. I like to use this corner house. There's a little wooden fence that has been here for years. You can see it there. I use that as a guidepost. That's where I know to make my right turn. And immediately after the turn, there's a stop. Continuing on Overage. There are 2 speed humps here to look out for. If there's snow covered, there are indicators on the side of them. There are 2 yellow posts outlining it, one on each side. As you can see it coming up there. Coming up to the stop sign is Sheridan. You want to make a right turn. There's a bus stop here at this stop sign. Make a left turn, I'm sorry. A left turn onto Sheridan. At the light is Washtenaw, we want to continue straight through. Crossing Washtenaw. Stop approaching on the right, cut out. Turn left here. Stand on Manchester. We're going to come to the stop sign. There's a bus stop here. Here at Medford and Manchester. This is a time point. We want to make a right turn onto Medford. A lot of student housing in this area, utilizing number 14. As well as a lot of high school students going to Pioneer High School. Stop approaching. Bus stop at the stop sign here, which is St. Francis. We're going to make a right turn on the St. Francis. At the light is East Stadium. We're going to make a left turn. On the right is Tappan Middle School, and on the left is St. Francis. Continuing on Stadium. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. We're coming up on Packard. Packard Stadium is a tying point. Continuing across Packard. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Traffic light is South Industrial. We're going to continue straight through. Stop approaching. We're approaching Michigan Sports Campus at the University of Michigan. In the distance, you can see Chrysler Arena. Behind it, you have the Michigan Stadium, affectionately known as the Big House. You have a stop approaching here at Chrysler Arena. After you've serviced this stop, you want to get over in the left lane. This is your last stop prior to reaching the Pioneer High School parking ride lot. At the light is South Main, we want to make a left turn. Making our left on the South Main. See the Pioneer High School. The second driveway, we want to make a right turn. To the left of the stand. This concludes the outbound 14 Geddes from Mott Hospital to Pioneer Parking Ride.